Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Pramita Avila, my program Studi Management 2021, my name 2100601018. This is a bot video reading. One day in my life, 3 years ago, Vanessa Stan and her husband Tom took up the fast food challenge. They bought the franchise for a McDonald restaurant near Leeds. Early morning is always a effort for me. The alarm goes off 6:30 a.m. and I have 20 minutes taking time to make some mental list before I get up. I live by list. Actually, it's the best way to keep things organized. Recently, I've been offering at our McDonald restaurant around 8:30 a.m. I've mastered the configuration equation. Now, so I am training one of our floor manager to help me with the administration. Eventually, they shall give me more time to get involved in other areas of the business, such as interviewing staff. Our restaurant is in a retail park around 5 miles outside Leeds. Since we bought the franchise in 1995, we've already expanded the setting, and now we're looking to expand the restaurant. It's left we have to from to do McDonald started quality service, cleanliness, and follow of course, but the restaurant is actually our own business. We directly employ some 75 staff, order and buy from supplies from private suppliers, take care of any maintenance or refurbishment, air local marketing, and so on around and quarter of all McDonald Buuku restaurant of our franchise. Buying these franchises was a big move for us. Tom, my husband, had to do 9 months training before we closed. F&B considered for a franchise. It paid off though, and we are delighted with this place in Bournemouth. What was the first drive-through in Yorkshire, and the surrounding countryside in truly beautiful. By 9:30 a.m., I am ready for a bacon and egg, muffin, and a cup of tea. I have a quick chat with our regular breakfast customer before opening the first break invoice from supplier, marketing and training information from McDonald. They run the training courses, but we pay from our staff too. 8. Bookings for parties of perhaps the monthly report from the mystery dinner. Mystery dinner make monthly checks on every restaurant and drive-thru in the country. All aspects a session, food quality and presentation, atmosphere, quality and speed of service, restaurant cleanliness, and so on. Staff are often commanded by name, so I pass the nuance on to team and make sure any problem are tackled. We we're currently in the legal week in pretty good. We have an ongoing dialogue with MC Donald. A friend consultant visits us every 2 or 3 weeks, and 3 are regular meetings with other branches to share ideas and expresses. Much of my morning is spent queries, training, record, payroll, etc. have to be organized. Staff to know for varies, but we can sometimes lose our casual workers when they go to university or decide to go traveling. 3 are MC Donald all over the world. No soldier training here really can open this tight door. The time routes start around noon. On the railroad outside they were short-staffed, a.g. flu seance. I moved in and survey customer memories of my witnessing the at university. A fifth even be known to cook fries when necessary. As with any small business, one has to be flexible, but I think in also important they focus your energies where they are most effective. For me, this is behind the scenes admin work. My one look is a salad or chicken sandwich. By this time, my object looks like a bomb set to the untrained eye. I've usually divide the masses of paperwork into piles ready to tackle them in priority order. I have the hint of around 3 p.m. to collect my 2 sons from school, so I generally end up taking work home. I finish it in the kitchen, listening to Glenn Miller or the Moody Blues Wheels, also supervising the children homework, music, practical, or whatever. If I am doing the end of month figures, I generally have to work into the early hours. Otherwise, I am in bed any time after 10 p.m. I always have 3 or 4 books on the go. Walter Scott or Janet Austen for explain and outline one on fiction, maybe an autobiography or as political work. I am glad to say Tom's starring Wesley Snipes was last summer, so now I can look forward to some undisturbed sleep before another boy day at the restaurant. Now I think of it, I used to have craving for MC Donald when I was pregnant. It must have been a premonition. Good afternoon.